This VIVOHOME Outdoor 3-burner stove is a robust and versatile outdoor cooking solution, perfect for a variety of scenarios from camping trips to backyard parties. With its impressive specifications and user-friendly design, this heavy-duty tri-propane cooker stands out as an essential piece of equipment for anyone who enjoys outdoor cooking. Here's a detailed review of its features, performance, and overall value. The first thing you notice about the VIVOHOME Outdoor 3-burner stove is its sturdy construction. Made of a durable metal frame, this stove is designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The cast iron top is particularly notable for its ability to bear high temperatures and resist rusting, ensuring a long lifespan even with frequent use. The stove's legs are detachable, adding to its versatility. This design feature allows the stove to be used either as a freestanding unit or as a countertop stove, depending on your needs. The legs are easy to attach and secure tightly to the stove's body, providing a stable cooking platform even on uneven surfaces. This makes it an excellent choice for camping, where terrain can be unpredictable. One of the standout features of this stove is its huge heat output. Each of the 3 burners can produce up to 75,000 BTUs per hour, for a total of 225,000 BTUs. This level of power is more than sufficient for any outdoor cooking task, from boiling large pots of water to deep frying. The burners can reach maximum heat quickly, allowing you to cook meals faster and more efficiently. The heat output is easily adjustable via the regulator or by controlling the propane flow with the tank valve. This gives you precise control over the flame height and cooking temperature, which is essential for different cooking methods and recipes. Whether you need a gentle simmer for delicate sauces or a roaring flame for a quick stir fry, this stove can handle it. Using the VIVOHOME 3-burner stove is straightforward, thanks to its thoughtful design. The burners are independently controlled, so you can use just 1 or 2 if you don't need all 3 at once. This not only conserves fuel, but also gives you more flexibility in managing your cooking space and heat distribution. Setting up the stove is a breeze. The detachable legs make it easy to transport and store, and assembling them takes only a few minutes. Once the legs are in place, the stove feels solid and secure, ready to support heavy pots and pans without wobbling. The large knobs for flame control are easy to grip and turn, even with gloved hands, which is a nice touch for colder camping trips. Versatility is where this stove truly shines. Its powerful burners make it suitable for a wide range of cooking tasks, from grilling and frying to boiling and steaming. The ability to detach the legs and use the stove as a countertop unit adds another layer of convenience. This is particularly useful for tailgating, where you might prefer to set the stove on a table or the back of a truck. The stove's design also makes it ideal for cooking smelly foods outside, keeping unwanted odors out of your home. This is especially handy for activities like deep frying, which can leave lingering smells indoors. With this stove, you can enjoy all the benefits of cooking outdoors while keeping your indoor space clean and odor-free. Safety is always a concern with propane stoves, but the VIVOHOME model addresses this with its robust construction and reliable components. The metal frame and cast iron top can withstand high temperatures without warping or degrading, reducing the risk of accidents. The regulator and propane valve provide precise control over the gas flow, helping to prevent flare-ups and maintain a consistent flame. Maintenance is also relatively easy. The cast iron burners can be wiped down after each use, and any food spills or grease can be cleaned off the metal frame with minimal effort. Regular maintenance will keep the stove in good working condition for years to come. In conclusion, the VIVOHOME Outdoor 3-burner stove is a powerful, versatile, and well-built piece of equipment that excels in outdoor cooking scenarios. Its high heat output, sturdy construction, and user-friendly features make it a valuable addition to any outdoor kitchen setup. Whether you're a seasoned camper, an avid tailgater, or someone who enjoys backyard cookouts, this stove offers the performance and reliability you need to prepare delicious meals outdoors. While it might be overkill for those who only cook outdoors occasionally, for serious outdoor chefs, it's an investment that will pay off in convenience and culinary possibilities. With the VIVOHOME 3-burner stove, you'll be well equipped to handle any outdoor cooking challenge that comes your way. If you found this review helpful and informative, please consider liking our video and leaving a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Subscribe to our channel for more reviews, cooking tips, and kitchen appliance recommendations.